Hello everyone, in this lesson we will learn how to change sky color in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have prepared this clip with the blue skies on my timeline. And to change sky color we need to use effect that calls Lumetri Color. Search the Lumetri Color effect in the Effects panel. Drag the effect to our clip. In the Effect Controls panel we search for Lumetri Color and then HSL Secondary. Open this option. In the Set Color option we click on the eyedropper and choose the color of our skies. Then we need to check Show Mask option, so we will see some part of the sky that is blue and some that is gray. And we need that we can see all the skies is blue. So we need to increase our HSL sliders. Choose the maximum of blue color. Something like this. After that you can uncheck Show Mask option and add about 40 in blur option, so our transition will be soft. And now it's time to change the color of the sky. We can choose any color in correction option. For example, we click on the green, but we can see that nothing has changed. So we need to edit temperature, tint, contrast and saturation options. So we decrease the tint, add temperature and add saturation. And our sky has become green. We can do the color of the skies whatever we want. For example, rose, violet, white, blue and so on. And that's all. With this effect you can change the sky color. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.